p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Copper Canyon, or over Corinth, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expects damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Plano, Carrollton, Frisco, Denton, Louisville, Flower Mound, Coppell, The Colony, South Lake, Corinth, Highland Village, Trophy Club, Lake Dallas, Lake Louisville, Little Elm, Prosper, Salina, Roanoke, Argyle, and Hickory Creek. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. At 7:56 p.m., Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm over Little Elm, or near Lake Louisville, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Johnson County in north central Texas, southeastern Tarrant County in north central Texas, north central Hill County in central Texas, Ellis County in north central Texas, southern Dallas County in north central Texas, until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Mansfield to near Grandview, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 65 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dallas, Arlington, Grand Prairie, Mesquite, Mansfield, DeSoto, Cedar Hill, Duncanville, Lancaster, Waxahachie, Bulk Springs, Ennis, Midlothian, Seagoville, Glen Heights, Red Oak, Kennedale, Hutchins, Alvarado, and Rendon. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35W between mile markers 10 and 26. Interstate 35E between mile markers 385 and 419. Interstate 20 between mile markers 462 and 478, and between mile markers 483 and 485. Interstate 45 between mile markers 244 and 277. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into a small central room in a sturdy structure.